Hey over there at Columbus Fence Co. Kimberly here with Elite Roots Digital Marketing Agency. I reached out and spoke with Brad yesterday, promising this short video just giving you a few tips to help you increase your online traffic. Now, and I don't want to waste anyone's time, so at the end of this video, if you like what you've heard and would like any further help with getting more leads for your business, then give me a call. But if not, no harm, no foul. Please take these tips and use them for yourself. So the first thing I'd like to go over is your website, and I will say this website is pretty well done. I love the amount of content that you have. You're actually sitting almost at 1,800 words, which is the perfect area to be in. Google really likes to see around that 1,500 to 2,000 words, so great job there. You do have this click to call. I'd love to see it light up to a different color as you hover over it so that people know that it is a click to call button, but kudos for having that. And then you've got this form right up at the top of the page too, so again, a great thing to have. Doing a lot of great things on your website. The one thing that I'd really like to see, and it's more on an aesthetic side of things, as far as search engine go, it's not going to matter as much, but once you get someone on your website, the aesthetic of your website could use a little bit of a facelift. Use some more color, some fresh pictures. I know that over on your Facebook page you did have, this video here that has some really nice pictures, as well as this picture here would look really good on your website somewhere, even if it's cropped down to just where the fence is, so that you can spread it across your page, kind of like this top image is. I think that would look really great. So that's really the only thing I have as far as the main what I see on your website. However, I do want to go into keywords, and keywords is a lot of this, like local fence company is a great keyword. However, currently you're ranking number 5 for the top volume keyword. Fence installation, Columbus, Ohio is a top keyword in your area. And you're currently cleared down on position 5, so you're only getting 43 clicks to your website per month from that, where you could be getting almost 200. A third of that volume could be going to you if you were in that top spot. Just like you are here for fence repair, Columbus, Ohio, you are in that top position, so great job. But the volume's only 100 for that, and you're getting 34, so about a third of that 100, like I said, you'd be getting for this one up here, fence installation. Now, and as you see, there's a few different keywords, especially these more location-specific keywords that you could be doing a little bit better on. So, fence company, but really this fence installation is the most buyer intent, so I'd love to see you get up to that position number 1 on that. And by how to do that is going to be within the content, even how those pictures are saved. Make sure that you have like this picture saved as fence installation, Columbus, Ohio would be a great way to save that. That way, Google will see that you have that keyword more often on your page, and that'll help kind of bump you up a little bit more. The next thing I'd like to talk to you about is going to be actually in this area here. Now, this of course is just a standard Google search, and I did do that high volume keyword. When I say high volume, of course, that's 600 times someone is plugging this in to this top bar in Google per month. Now, and this right here is your map pack. You're typically going to see that, and then below that is the organic section. Up here in the map pack, how do you get into these top 3, and why is it important is what I want to go over. Now, and why is it important? Because 40% of the search volume for this search actually goes to just these top 3 businesses in the map pack before anyone moves on and goes down here into this area at all. To get into the top of this section here, there's a few things that go into it, and I do have your Google business profile pulled up here. I do see you don't have any reviews, so that'd be my biggest suggestion, is just really make sure that you go in there and really push for reviews from the clients that you do have. That'll really help boost you up. But the second thing is actually with citations, and citations is just listings of your business in different directories across the web. There's hundreds and hundreds of directories out there. You just have to be able to find them. So get out there and get in as many as you can. Sometimes even just seeing what directories these guys are in will really help you out. The more directories you're in, the higher up you're going to be on here, especially if you get those reviews coming in as well. The last area I want to talk about is this organic section, and to get you in the top of this section for those higher, more difficult keywords, kind of like that fence installation I showed you, This is a little bit more difficult keyword to get to the top of, but you've done it for some of these other keywords, so I know it's possible for you. You just gotta maybe build up the strength of your website a little bit more and just really work on throwing those keywords into your content even more than you have already. So if we take a peek at your competition here, oh, let me go ahead and get this page ready for what we're talking about next. So if we take a peek at your competition in the area, this Tradeo's fence is one of the top competitors in your area for the fencing that you guys do, and they're currently sitting at 122 referring domains and 943 backlinks, and that's giving them, they're currently being found for 292 keywords, and they're getting 716 clicks to their website per month between some of the advertising that they do, as well as their website, the keywords on their website, and the strength of their website. And this right here, the referring domains and backlinks, is the strength of their website on the back side. Now, and what is a backlink? A backlink is just a link from one website back to yours. That's all it is. Some of those citations that we talked about earlier will give you a backlink. Otherwise, stronger backlinks would be a link to maybe another fencing company in another state that's willing to give you a backlink. Those ones are a little bit stronger, especially if they're coming from an even stronger fencing company, maybe from an even bigger city. That would be a real nice backlink to have. It's really just about going out there and seeing what you can find as far as getting backlinks and reaching out to those website owners. So if we see at what you're sitting at here, you currently have 62 referring domains, giving you 216 backlinks, so you're short a little bit of what Tradeo was, and you're currently being found for 196 keywords, and you're getting 204 clicks to your website per month. Now, and what would you do if you were getting that extra 500 clicks to your website, 500 potential leads for your business in a month? How many clients would you end up landing out of that extra 500 potential clients? Alright, so that is all I have for you today in this quick video. If you'd like to know more on how I can help grow your business and bring you new customers, please reach out and we can chat. But if not, no big deal. Please enjoy these free tips I've given you. And if you don't mind giving me a little bit of feedback on how I did on this video, it would really be greatly appreciated. I do hope you found it helpful, and thank you so much for watching.